This video will show how to operate the machine, how to run the machine after the installation. After all the accessories are all installed in the machine. For example, the water pump, and also the air fan is connected well, and the air pump plug is into the machine, inserted into the machine, and we can start the machine. Firstly, we connect the power supply, and then we press this button up. 可以调整吗？现在可以按。可以都是按。If we switch off, then the machine will stop, and we will press the button up. The machine is on. This button is its function is to protect the machine. For example, this will protect the machine. If in this station, if this blue button is out, and in this condition we can't, it's not of effect. So we have to press the button down and then switch on. This is the main power supply switch, and then we will adjust this key button, make it on the on condition, and this button this is the emergency stop. We will press. This is off, and this is on. Turn on. Now the machine is running. Finish.